Hi, I'm Justin Conway. I'm an Excel expert, and I'm going to walk you through the steps that will enable you to expand and contract information within Excel. So let's say you're working on a spreadsheet with a ton of information that you really don't need, and you want to collapse some of that information so that it's just not visible when you're looking at the sheet. So in our instance, we have this information lower in the sheet that contains lots of grades that we really don't need to see because we have the information averaged at the top. What we're going to do first is select all of the rows that you want to collapse. Let's say we want to group all of the grade 1 information. Select all those rows, click on the Data tab, then click Group and select Group from the drop-down. Now these rows are all grouped together, and to the left you'll see it shows that to the left of the row numbers. Click the minus button and they all collapse. The plus symbol will stay here so that whenever you want to repopulate that information, you click the plus button and you can see the information again. That's how to expand and collapse information in Excel. Thanks.